So here we have the one more dual driver BT ANC in-ear headphones, which have active noise cancellation and quick charge as their two most important features. The box opens up with a magnet on the side, I'm guessing, so it's a nice and satisfying click. Here we have opened it up and you can see that we have the instructions. In typical One More fashion, you have a sketch format of the instructions and some reading that you should do before using these headphones, and it's really creative and it pops out and it looks really aesthetic as well. So here you can see we have the headphones right here. We can take them out slowly, and these are open back wireless headphones which have Bluetooth 4.2 instead of 5.0, which is slightly disappointing, but it's fine. We'll set these aside for the moment and let's look at what we have right here. Here we have an airplane adapter, the One More airplane adapter, which you can use in flights. Let's set this aside and extract what we have underneath. Here you can see we have a variety of customizations. So you have 3 ear tips along with this one right here, which is the fourth. You have 4 silicone wings right here to make sure you have enough security when you're wearing these in case the ear tips aren't enough. So that is an excellent amount of customization you've got right there, and it comes neatly packaged like this. Let's set this aside. So let's look at what we have right here. Let's open this up and there we go. You have a little soft case for the One More dual drivers. It is a drawstring pouch, so you can just pull it and open it up, and it's quite cute and compact. Let's set this aside, and in here we have a QR code of some kind which helps you with the app. These are a few stickers, and then you have the user manual and all of these things. Customizations galore. These earphones have it. So right here, let's look at these a bit closer. Here you can see that there are 3 sizes of ear tips. The first one is the small, this one is medium, and these ones seem to be extra large, while we have fitted the large ones on the earphones right here. They also come with silicone wings. So this one is the largest size. This is a bit smaller, so seems like this is XL and this is L. This is the medium size, while this is the smallest size. So these really come to play because these headphones are open back. So if you don't have the perfect fit, you might not get adequate passive noise cancellation. Even though these have active noise cancellation, open back earphones have the tendency of letting noise in. So the fact that One More has given us all this customization is great. Now let's take a closer look at the headphones itself. The neckband is made out of a rubberized kind of material, so they are extremely flexible. They can be stored in just about any way in the carrying case. The modules, on the other hand, are hard and rigid, and they are made out of this silverish, grayish, matte tone finish, and yeah, they look pretty good. And these headphones have a battery life of 7 hours, while they take only 1 hour to charge, and they also have quick charging facilities, so 10 minutes of charge would net you 3 hours of usage, which is great. So right here you have the volume controls and the pause and play button. So the pause and play button can be used to pause and play tracks, of course, and also double tapping them skips to the next track, while triple tapping them will take you to the previous track. So right here you can see the power button. So pressing and holding this for a period of 2 seconds will turn on the device. You should see a blue indicator, blue and red indicator right here, which means it's now in pairing mode. Pressing and holding it for a period of 5 seconds will turn it off. So you should see it glow red and then it'll turn off. That's it. Also pressing it just once when it's on will turn on voice assistant. So right here you can see the ANC toggleable switch. Right now it's in the middle, which means the ANC has been turned off. When you push it this side, active sound enhancement will turn on, which means all the environmental sounds around you will be enhanced and you'll be able to hear them better even when you're listening to music. This is especially useful in train stations and places like this where you really want to know what's going on in your surroundings. So bringing it back will turn off ANC yet again. And if you push it to this side once, it is a spring loaded switch, it will turn level 1 of ANC on, which is the moderate level of ANC, and pushing it yet again will turn on level 2, which is the highest level of ANC. Another thing you will find on the left module is the charging port, which is very sneaky. It's hidden right here. So you just need to pull it out, charge your device, or you can even connect the 3.5mm connector, which has a type C on one end, and use it passively, and then you can simply close it back up like this when it's not in use. So finally, let's look at the earbuds themselves. You can see that these have the matte silver finish. They are more silver than gray as compared to the Bluetooth modules. And yeah, they look pretty nice, pretty premium, feel really nice in hand. You can see that the ear tips have the silicone tips on them right now, so I'm going to take them off. And the design is elliptical, which is very different from usual Bluetooth headphones which have a round design. So, but the problem that you come across is that it gets slightly hard to put these back on. It takes some practice, but yeah, it can be hard. Also, another thing about these earphones are that they are magnetic. So when they are around your neck and they're not in use, you can just simply connect them like this and let them hang around your chest. So there you have it, guys. These were the one more dual driver ANC BT earphones. We really like how these earphones look. They look aesthetically pleasing. They have a slightly mediocre battery life at 7 hours, but with features such as ANC, environmental sound enhancement, and others, there's a lot they have to offer. So guys, thanks for watching our unboxing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you liked our content. Thank you.